guys, broccoli.
Hi guys, what's up? And today we are playing Animal Company. What the heck? Sorry. Hi guys, today we are playing Animal Company, and we're gonna make stuff big. So I'm going to.
I am a big fat monkey.
I kind of want to bring.
I'm a big fat monkey.
What should I bring?
Monkey.
Honestly,
buy more broccoli, bro. Buy more broccoli.
Okay, guys, come on, let's go.
I'm in the club bit.
I own both broccolis. I own small
broccoli and big broccoli because I bought 10.
I don't own any of them.
Because I bought the pack, so I had.
Hello. We're so fast. I'm coming.
What? Wait for me.
Open this damn door.
Open these dang doors.
Okay, no, I'm not.
We left somewhere. No.
Get out of here. Get out of here before he comes back.
Why?
Wait for me.
Oh my God! What is it?
Like, bro, get up here. Hide from me.
Go, my other friends. Chill, where are you?
We're up the stairs.
Yeah, but we were on the
Go
elevator.
up the elevator. Go up the elevator thing.
Wait for
They're
us.
coming.
Bro, wait for us. First robot now.
To make my grappler first.
That's the first robot now.
Yo, we're right behind you.
Okay, bro. No, my grappler. Let's go, bro.
Come
Can
on.
you get my grappler back? Can someone get my grappler back? I lost him.
Get
On
in
the
it.
roof. Can you? Someone get my.
Bro,
You fat.
get the.
Someone get my grappler. Guys, wait for me, okay? I need to lift behind my book bag because it's too heavy.
Guys,
I'm just gonna leave behind my book bag. I'm too chill.
where's the key card?
I have it.
Okay, come on.
Chill, wait for me.
Where are you, green guy?
I died.
How is someone gonna wait for you if you died? I don't think. Okay, whatever. Guys, we're waiting for him.
Wait, let me get my stuff.
I got a key card.
Bro, that Karen. Wait, there's another key card on the ground.
Oh
That
wait, can I
Karen
have it? No, actually, you could take it. You take it.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
can someone hold on to that key card? I need to hold on to a pickaxe just in case. So then we can mine rubber ducky. Can someone take that key card? Yeah. I'm getting a bunch of stuff.
Guys, I'm waiting for you upstairs.
Woo! I'm here. Don't jump down yet. They're not here. Here, I'll do this though. I'll stay like this.
Chill, where are you?
We're down the elevator shaft.
Okay, bro. Here.
Woo!
Wait for me. I kind of. Bro, we don't need to buy ducks. If we get a bag of sticks, we can actually fill up the junk bar if we get a bag of sticks.
He's right there, guys. Don't worry, I killed him.
Open it. Guys, someone needs to get a bag of sticks.
Guys, watch out! There's a bomb! There's a bomb! There's a bomb!
There's a bomb!
Whatever.
There's a bomb!
Ah!
There we go.
Okay,
What
guys.
are we making big?
Okay, I have
What are we
sticks.
making?
We have sticks.
Let's go. Can I be the first one to do
Pour
it?
all your
I
sticks
really
out.
want to make them.
Here, don't keep that key card.
Yeah, I got key card. Bro, we need more sticks. I need more sticks.
He has more
Okay,
sticks.
put more sticks. We're halfway there. Boys, we just need some rubber duckies. Yes. balcony, see this?
Yes, it's
Don't
full.
touch anything.
It's
Don't
full.
touch anything, we're full.
We're full.
Time to go get rubbers.
Come on, let's get rubber
We
duckies.
only need like 2 rubber duckies or something. No, get how much paper is it?
Guys, come on. Are you guys going or not? That's it.
I don't have
a
a
pick. I'm staying here because I don't have a pick. I'm staying here.
See y'all. Bye, guys.
Peace.
If you die, you die.
Wait, guys, don't look. I'm a friend of Shoot. I'm a friend of the Blue Reindeer. I'm a friend of the Blue Reindeer. Can you help people in the server? I can help people. I'm a friend of the Blue Reindeer. Me too. I'm a friend of him too. Was your friend with him before? Did you get 4 broccoli? Did you get 4 broccoli? Bro, did you get the ducks? Did you get the ducks? You need to get 4 ducks or something. Oh no. No, you need 10.
10 ducks. Oh, we got that. We got that. Come on, guys. It's right over here. Ducks are over here.
I'm staying here because I don't have a pick. I'm staying here because I just don't want to know.
Come on, you scaredy cats.
I don't have a pick, bro. I can't go.
Oh. Ah! He's right there.
So
He's
does
right
Skelly.
there.
Skelly doesn't have a pick either.
Yo. Okay, can you give me that pick and I'll get some rubber ducks?
Can you give it back?
Yeah, I'll give it back.
Okay, because Ooh, grapple. Hey, give me back my grapple. Oh, thank you, grapple.
Okay, guys.
Okay, now, Kenny, no. Make sure to give that back, please. I love that. I really like to make that.
Green guy, wait, come on.
Okay.
Bro, I helped you.
Where are you, Shield?
I'm right here.
Hey,
I
bro,
killed the guy. I
hey.
killed him. I killed him.
But I
His
don't
box
have
is
a
right
pick.
there.
I don't have a pick.
Do we go over here? Where do we go?
No, this way.
Hurry before he respawns.
I know the way. I've memorized this office. So in here's rubber duckies. Watch out, there's usually
Guys,
a
we're
Peter
almost
bot.
there. Trust.
Watch out, there's a Peter bot here, I think. Duck ore. I got duck ore. I'm gonna go find the Peter bot. Hurry, I don't see the Peter bot. I see it now.
Okay, get up. Get up
In
so I
here,
can
come
hit
on. Okay, he's good.
it. There we go. Okay, come on.
Now hurry.
Duck ores.
I don't have a pick.
Here, you collect them.
Where's ducks?
That was not a rubber duck one. Rubber duck one. Here, let's go in the other rooms. Follow me.
Bro.
Not this room, trust. That room sucks. This room right here. This one
I don't
sucks.
trust you.
Where are you? Oh my god, you...
You never answer my calls, bro.
So?
I don't trust you. Why do you never answer my calls, though?
Because sometimes I record YouTube videos and I
You're in the
can't.
middle of the bed.
And sometimes
You're in the
I
middle of the bed. You're mid-bid.
Yes.
Well,
Some-
I haven't posted it on my channel like a long time, bro.
Come on.
You need to like do it and then you need to take a break. That's what I've been doing. Like, I post a video.
Is that enough? Is that enough?
Yeah, I think.
Here, let's get a few more, just in case.
Yeah, just in case.
I think they might be here. So wait.
No, bro, we're good. Let's go. I think.
Okay, yeah.
Bro,
Hey, be
I got
careful.
new pajamas. Bro, duck.
Where are you? So, I have a weapon.
Bro, I got new pajamas and they said I can't see or hear you because I'm gaming. Imagine if I'm gaming and I pull it out of my mom.
That's crazy.
You guys coming? Yeah, bro. Okay, the door.
We're here.
We're here.
Give me
Bro, what was-
Shut the door. Shut it.
Come on! That please be enough!
You almost have enough ducks.
Yes!
You have enough ducks. You have enough ducks.
Key card!
Put it in the key card.
Put in the key card.
Can I my pickaxe back? Can I my key card back? Bro, can I my pickaxe back? Hey, here it comes. Whoa. Oh my god.
It's a big grappler.
Give me, this is mine. Okay, can you give me my small grappler now? Where's my small grappler?
There it is. Wait, is this smaller? No, that's a regular. Bro,
Oh!
it's my turn.
That's my grappler.
This one's a bigger size for some reason.
Guys, this is a big grappler.
Yeah, guys, this has sticks in it.
Here, is this yours?
Yeah, all the
I got the
grapplers.
sticks. I got the sticks. Can I put in my pickaxe now? When can I put in my pickaxe? Okay, I'm gonna get some sticks.
Woo!
Put in the sticks.
Somebody stole my
Yeah.
other grappler. That just
Yeah,
came out.
No, you're taking away the sticks. Put them in. Put them in. It's not
You're
done
in,
yet.
you're in.
I'm gonna go get sticks. I'm gonna go get sticks.
And I'll go get more rubber.
Kind of trash.
Wait, can you give me another one? Another pickaxe so I can, please?
Maybe.
Why?
So I can mine more ducks. You want me to mine more ducks?
You can.
Yeah, but I can't, I don't have anything to mine with. That's the thing.
That's mine. What the? Give that back. That's mine.
No, it's not.
Yeah, because I'm the one that put in my grappler to get the big and small. So that's mine.
Down
Yeah.
the house.
Yeah, you can have this grappler.
Do you want to make another, do you want to make another big thing? Or do you not?
I do.
Wait, guys.
Then
we
give me
should
your
try making a big RPG.
give me your
I'm
pickaxe.
about back to
At least say
spawn.
please. At least say please.
So please.
You have a machine. I'm almost back to spawn. Someone over the radio, please. Someone over the radio. Okay, cool.
Yes. Green guy, I'm coming to go get the rubber ducks. Where are you right now?
At spawn getting sticks. I got the bag of sticks.
Good job. I'm getting rubber ducks. Can you come with me? I kind of feel scared.
Scratch that out.
Scratch what out?
I said I was going to get an extra grapple, but I can't get it. Hey, I need help on first level in office. I need someone to come kill Karen or the robot. Because I'm heavy and I can't get past her with my
Two.
grapple.
Oh my god. Whew.
Then you'll cook, little boat.
There's two.
Excuse you. We won't help you get something big.
3.
Kill her by looking at her, then kill her, and then dip. Because if you look at her, she won't try. Someone come help me, please.
Wait, that was 3, I think.
Help me. We can't. Yeah, but this is killing, ma'am. Like, I love you. And then he killed me. You only made like 5 sticks. Kill myself. You're lucky. I'm a biscuit. I'm sorry, buddy. I survived.
I think that was 4.
Has anyone got the ducks?
5.
Someone just got like duckies I can hear the school.
Six.
Oh, come on, come back. It's full. We need a key
I
card.
think we had 6.
We need a key card. I want to go get a key card.
8, 9.
Guys, please just come back. Come back to what? Spoiling a big daddy. Shit.
Yo, I got all the ducks. I got all the ducks.
Someone needs to get a key card. I'm not getting a key card because I got all the sticks. No, I won't. You son of a gun.
Wait, guys.
Guys, I'm here. I got it.
Hey, someone
Do you
needs
have
to get a key card. Someone
Okay.
needs to get a key card.
I got. No, someone else did it. I got all the ducks.
I'm going next. Can I have my pickaxe first? Go
Okay.
get a key card, please, bro.
I'll
We
put
need
the
a key
duck.
card.
I'll put all the ducks in.
Okay, but then we need a key card.
Someone else get a key card, not me.
Not me.
not me either.
I did my trick.
Yeah, I bought all the sticks for the first one.
That's good. We need a key card now.
Okay, who wants to go get the key card? How about
The
you,
goat.
bro?
No,
I
the
got-
goat. No, the goat has to get it. I bought the sticks last
Not
time,
it.
and you did it.
Not it.
Wait, green
Got
guy.
it.
Green guy. How about me and you go? How about me and you go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just go together, bro.
Here, I have one more bullet. I have one
You
more
guys are
bullet.
being rude.
No, wait, come back, guys.
Don't worry, I
Lego,
killed him.
let's go.
That was my last bullet, by the way. Just saying.
Okay, well, my headset's in the red, so we need to hurry.
Oh, it's in the red. Oh shit. Okay. Wait. You go without me.
Why is it always me?
I'm in here, green guy.
Put the pickaxe in. I'm coming in hot.
Green guy, where are you? Guys, where are you?
No.
You have to put it in now, or else it won't work. Come on. pickaxe in.
Put your pickaxe in.
Put the pick. Alright. Bro, my head is in the red.
Look. It's right there.
There. Where? Oh, it's in the red. Where did it spawn? Bro, that's my pickaxe.
No, right here. This is your pickaxe. That's your pickaxe.
Bro, pass me my pickaxe. Pass me my pickaxe.
That's his pickaxe, Green Guy. Green Guy, that's his pickaxe.
Pass me. So I did all that work for nothing? You got a pickaxe?
You should have got your own pickaxe.
You have your pickaxe.
Whew.
Go down for nothing.
So guys, hey. Now
Yeah,
what
guys,
are we doing?
that was all my bullets. I'm gone.
Guys, I'm gonna leave and rejoin, and then I'm gonna put this in my stash, okay?
Okay, guys, I'm
chill.
gonna go off and I'm gonna end the video. Okay.
Yeah, I'm done. My head's at 12. But after this, I want to do a bunch
Okay.
of items. I want a bunch
Guys,
of
guys,
stuff.
stand right there. I'm gonna take a picture
Bye.
for you for my thumbnail. For my thumbnail,
hurry.
just stand right there.
Hurry,
Okay. Okay, I'm taking a picture.
hurry. Bro.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
Okay, see ya.
I'm leaving.